Hello everyone. Last video I have given you the homework for doing in your notebook, and the submission date is 27 September. Don't forget to do that. Send me before. So today we are going to do the practical work. As homework will be in your notebook, you should do it, but practical you should do it on your computer and send me that file. Here one example of practical I am going to do for showing you. Other examples I will give you. You should do it and send me the work. Here is a question of your text from your textbooks. The practical work is there from that textbook. It is 25th question is there, which is on page number 96. The timetable prepared for the class 9 using the word process as shown in below. They have made the timetable like this in your word file. The class teacher recommended some changes in the timetable. To do that, it should look as follows. This is the timetable they have made, and teacher has said them to make in this format, in this look. How we can do that? I will show you one practical by step, and then they are asking the answers for making these changes. What we can do for making these changes? The name, the word processing features that should be used, the make these changes. Like for headline should be in center, aligned. For this purpose, what feature we are going to use for of word processing, you should mention there. For doing this practical, I will go to the LibreOffice Writer. I have opened my old file only, which I have created for explaining you people. LibreOffice Writer. In this, first I will create the table which was created before. Let me show you that. There are 6 rows and 9 columns are there. And here heading is there, timetable class 9D, which is in center. I have wrote the heading which is in bold, so I will select this, and here in bold I will just click on that, which is in center. So I will choose the center alignment, align center, and then I will press enter and then insert the table. For that I will click on table and then insert table. Table name is class 9. How many columns were there? 9 columns and 6 rows were there. After inserting a table, there is a first row is a merge row, and they have wrote the class teacher name in that row. So for merging the first row, I will just select this row, go to the table, and here merge cell option is there. I'll click on that, and here I will write class teacher A, B, C. For making it center, I am pressing on this center align, center vertically. Now I will type this timetable in my LibreOffice Writer. Once that this timetable is ready, now what teacher has said, class teacher has recommended some changes. Now let's find out what is this changes. The first column is exactly correct, only class teacher ABC. Second row, here the numbering was not there, period numbering. Here they have mentioned the numbering. Class teacher has said to write the numbering. Let's do how we can insert that. For doing that, we need to insert one row above this row. I'll just select this row. When I have selected this row and I want above of this row, the down part toolbar have appeared, table toolbar. So first one is insert row, which is above, rows above. So I'll just click on that. One row will be created. In this, they have mentioned 1, 2, 3, and then fourth period. After fourth period, there is a break time, and then remaining 4 periods are there. For making this break, we need to insert the column. For inserting here one column, I'll just select on this column. Before which column I want to insert, I'll just keep my cursor in that, and then I will go to here columns before. I'll click on this. So one column has been selected, inserted. In this we have to write the break, which should be in merge form. So I'll just select this and then click on merge and write here break. For making this in vertically, I'm just we should select the word, and then here you will see here I have just wrote in break in separate form B, then enter an R, then E, A, and then K for writing vertically. In Excel, in spreadsheet, there is an option for making vertically, horizontally, or cross, but in writer it is not there. So individually I have wrote this break in vertically. Now other one is, if you notice this days are here, it is still Friday only. Here they have made the extra dates, that is Saturday. So I will go and insert one column, one row after the Friday. So for just keep your insert key, your cursor key, and then click the below. I'll make here Saturday. If you notice here, for second and third period, in this it was maths separately, but here class teacher said make a merge and make it in one cell only, for science, for IT, for maths, and for SSC and science practical period. I'll go to my LibreOffice and I'll just select these cells, 2 cells together, and I'll click on merge. But because of these 2 datas are there, so it will come 2 times. Just delete the one from that. For maths also, here merge cells, one maths I will delete. Like this I will do for others. Almost everything is done. Now making the center alignment. For that I will use center align. For making this periods in bold, I'll just select that and make it bold. For making this bold, I will make it bold. And if you notice, all datas are in center of the cell. So I will just select on this and make it center. Now your timetable is ready as per how the class teacher have said. After doing your practical work, the timetable, when you have finished the timetable, according to your class teacher, how she have mentioned to make the timetable. There are some questions like you have to write the words name for the word processing features. For making headline should be center. For making headline, which word processing features we have used, mention that. The class teacher name should be span along the all the columns in first row. Add the another row after the first row to indicate period number. For that, which feature we have used, mention that you have all this. Go through with this all questions and write the answers and send it to me. You should write this question. You can directly write this question answers in your timetable, where you have created your timetable document only. Like if this document you have created your timetable, in down of that only you can mention that question and write the answer in bold. Like this, if you can write this, just copy this and answer here, write in bold letters. Like this, all these 10 question answers, mention them. After completing that practical work, from your textbooks, page number 94, practical exercise is there. In this practical exercise, do this 8.1, which is open the file name my document. You should mention the file name my document 1 and type the text below. With this connected other documents are there, that is 8.1 exercise is there, practical exercise 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13 and 14. Till 9 to 14 all the exercise, practical exercise, you should do it and submit it to me. From your practical exercise, when you are doing the practical work, it will take only half an hour maximum. So do these questions 8 to 14. For paragraph, you can copy paste that paragraph, no need to type. But when you are copy pasting, you should do the changes also in text and size and all. And that you should submit by 27th September. The file, you should submit the document file. And this practical work you should submit by today evening. Complete this question answers and submit it today evening only. Hope you have understand. Practice for the exercises, all the practical exercises. It will be helpful for you. Thank you. I'll stop here. Next video we are going to start the new chapter, electronic spreadsheet basic. For that we are going to use LibreOffice Calc, which is already there in this LibreOffice. No need to download any new software. This is the writer. We are going to start with Calc now for electronic spreadsheet. Hope you have understand. Thank you.